Chapter 5. The Brave Sindbad and the Treasure. Here is a story of a famous merchant named Sindbad and his adventures. Let's embark on a thrilling journey with Sindbad as he hunts for hidden treasures beyond the seas. A long time ago, there lived a young merchant. His name was Sindbad. Sindbad the sailor sailed all over the world and sold his goods. He had a wonderful and thrilling adventure on each of his voyages. Once, Sindbad went to China by ship to sell dates from Arabia. When he was returning home, he was caught in a storm and his ship was swallowed by the waves. Luckily, Sindbad saw a piece of wood from the wrecked ship floating close to him. He held on to the wood and fainted. When he woke up, Sindbad was in a strange land. He found himself on a high cliff. All around him, there were huge white-colored rocks, smooth and shiny. Sindbad was curious and went closer to the stones. He found that there were eggs, perhaps laid by birds. Suddenly, a huge bird landed close to him. It looked like an eagle. Sindbad soon realized that he was looking at a rock. Sindbad was only as big as the claws of the bird. He was frightened and wondered how he would escape from the strange land. Just then, some more rocks landed near the eggs. He saw some of them flying away. So, he thought of an idea to escape. He slowly crept up to a rock and tied himself to its toes with the help of a rope. Soon, the huge bird carried him away. After some time, it landed in a valley. Sindbad quickly untied the rope and freed himself from the rock. Sindbad saw diamonds and other precious stones lying on the ground. As Sindbad was looking at the stones, a piece of meat fell beside him. Soon, a huge rock picked up that meat with its beak. Sindbad then remembered the story of the valley. People would throw pieces of meat into the valley. Precious stones would get stuck on the meat. The rocks would carry the meat to their nests. People would then frighten the rocks away from their nests by beating drums. When the birds flew away, the people would collect the diamonds from the nests. Sindbad picked up as many diamonds as he could. Then he waited for another rock. As soon as it landed, he tied himself to its toes. Soon, the bird flew to its nest and carried Sindbad with it. Upon reaching the nest, Sindbad quickly freed himself. He climbed down the tree and went into the town. There, he told the people what had happened to him. When they heard the story of his adventure, they took him to their chief. The chief rewarded Sindbad for his bravery.